What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw Boogiebot from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page with the inside edge of the head. Now let's start with the top curve. We'll start over on the left side. We're going to bend this up in the middle and bring that back down on the right. Now I want to round out the side of the head coming out in an angle. So start on the left, bend this out, and then come down. Go to the right side, bend this out, and we want to bring this down towards the same height. Let's connect the bottom with a curve and come down towards the bottom and then bend that back up. Now I'm going to move to the inside and draw on the eyes. Let's start over on the left at the very top and draw an oval. Bring this all the way down towards the bottom and back up towards the top. Let's move over towards the right and draw a half oval. We're going to start right in the middle, go up towards the top, towards the same height, and then bring that back down. Now let's curve the bottom, going up and then back down. Now from here we're going to trace the head around the outside. Let's start with the top edge, starting from the left, bend this up, and then back down on the side. Let's trace the sides, all the way around, and then down towards the bottom. Now you want to round out the corners and trace the bottom of the head. So come around, softening up that point, go across, and then round out the right side. Let's add two angled lines along the top, one on the left, and then one on the right. And then we'll add the ear covers. Starting on the top left, it's going to come around and bend that back in. Let's line up the top over on the right and do the same thing. Now let's move down and draw the top edge of the body. You're going to leave a gap underneath the head. We'll start over on the left, draw a curve going up, and then back down. Let's widen the body along the bottom. Starting back over on the left, go out, and then bend that down. Now draw two short lines coming in on either side. Let's angle the body coming down and in towards the bottom. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's add a trim along that bottom panel, going across. Now I'm going to add some detail inside the body. Starting from the top, draw two lines coming in, go straight down toward the bottom, and draw a straight line going back out. Now from the inside corner, we're going to step up, draw another line going across, and we'll add a small black dot along the top. Let's connect the head to the body with two angled lines. We'll start on the left, come down and in, same thing on the right. Now let's move down and draw on the tires. We'll start from this inside edge, draw a straight line going across the top, just extending that out towards the side. Now from the ends, we want to bend this out, come all the way down towards the bottom. Now we want to draw the same length line along the bottom, coming in. And then we'll close off the inside of the tire with that same curve, starting from the top, bending this out, and then down. Now I'm going to go back to the center of the body, leave a gap, and draw two lines. One coming down on the left, and one on the right. Let's connect the bottom of this line to the front of the tire with a straight angled line. Let's add a tread pattern across the front of the tire. From the bottom, we'll step up, draw a straight line going across. Let's line this up on the right. Now I'm going to leave a gap and draw that again. And we'll just repeat this all the way up towards the top of the tire. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on that shoulder piece. From the top corners of the body, draw a short angled line going up and out. Now from the outside, just going to round this out and then come down towards the side. pull that straight in towards the side of the body. Now halfway along this curve, I'm going to angle the arm, coming down and out. Line this up on the right side. I'm going to draw that again. We're going to step down, draw another angle line going out. Now let's connect the bottom with a straight line. And it'll round out the forearm. Start from that top point, bend this out, and then down. Go to the bottom, come down, and then out. Let's close off the bottom of the arm with a curve. Down and then in. Now you want to add some detail to the forearms. We're going to start by separating this in half, starting from the top, angle this down towards the bottom. And we'll add a panel on the outside. From the top of this line, step up, follow the angle line coming down about halfway, and go up towards the top of the arm. Now let's draw in the hands. From the outside corners, we're going to step in, so we curve this around and bend that in. Let's flatten off the ends with a short line, and then trace that curve coming back in towards the arm. Let's grab our medium green marker and fill the outside of the head. Just working around that top panel. And we'll fill the center of the body. And then the forearms. Now we're going to use a darker green for that center section, also the ear covers. And use a lighter green across the shoulders. And we'll switch to a warm gray and fill in the front of the tires. And use our dark gray for the rest of the body, starting with the hands. And using that same color inside the head, going around the eyes. I'm going to fill the center of the eyes with this bright yellow. And then we always finish off by signing our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Boogiebot from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.